Hey guys, welcome back to a video of Tony's phone collection. Here we're doing an unboxing of a phone I picked up on eBay. So here we go. Let's go ahead and get some of these out here. This one is I think it was either new or at least had the box and everything with it. So let's take a look. Here it is. We throw these packing peanuts back away. Proud of using these in the future, to be honest. Here we go. LG AX8575 on Alltel. Got the magnetic lock. LG stamped there in the box. Got the device here. I'm not going to do an unboxing of the rest of the stuff there because, like I said, that'll be a separate video, as they normally are. There's a phone. Comes with a battery, SD card as well. 2 GB. Let's see if it has any power in it real quick. It's got the headphone jack cover up top still. And it seems to be dead. But there's a quick little unboxing, so we'll just take a look in the box real quick, see if there's anything else in here. So it's actually an empty box, so that's awesome, but it happens. So there's a quick little unboxing for you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next one.